Hello everyone, welcome to our bonus video.
Bertie bought every flavour beans. I mean every flavour.
No, you're here, you're in this, you have literally no choice in the matter.
So what are we doing today, Brendan?
Oh, well, one time, Lena took me, well, I was driving Lena and her friend around.
I'm sorry, who? This person is not here.
Her, Aisara Iwasaki.
Alright, we gotta make it separate too.
Yeah.
I feel like Tristan's probably blocking her.
Nope.
No.
No, although you might break that chair, given that it's already
Sorry.
about to give way. But, I was driving Lena and her friend around,
I was drinking water
and I saw at a candy store that she dragged me into that they had Harry Potter's Bertie Bott's Every Flavor Beans.
My childhood!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Alright? Hey. He's having flashbacks to the previous.
Oh God! Oh God!
So, it seems that there are 1, 2,
Don't count all of them.
4 of the red ones, so we each get one of these.
What are the red ones supposed
Yes.
to possibly
Yes.
be?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
What is the red one choices?
Well, that's the fun part.
Oh!
You're
It
gonna,
smells like medicine!
you're going to,
Oh!
we're going to
Well,
bite
that's
into
just because
them
it's a jelly bean. All
and
of them
find
smell
out,
like
and then I'll reveal what the flavors are.
I have my...
If
No!
I remember correctly,
That's
what
bullshit!
has
You
been...
reveal
That's
first!
bullshit.
Well,
Yeah,
you should have
what
told me
is
this
first?
before we started.
That's bullshit. You reveal first.
Hey, I'm eating these too.
I want to know what I'm getting myself into this time.
I remember correctly, I ate a lot of these growing up, so there's a chance between either cinnamon or cherry.
Okay, that's not bad.
I like both this one.
I like both.
He's not wrong.
These don't smell like anything.
Here we go. Cheers.
Cinnamon.
Not gonna lie, I don't like cinnamon.
What did you get?
Yeah, there's no to or fro from it. That was supposed to be cinnamon.
It tastes like baked potato.
I got cherry.
Rubbed in dirt.
Oh. Maybe I gave you the wrong one. Oh well, it was either you got cinnamon,
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't taste
cherry.
bad
You got baked potato apparently.
though. It's
All
got
right.
like faint cinnamon, so...
Alright,
It doesn't taste bad though.
let's see. What's next?
I can already tell what the white ones are.
Is it soap?
I think he just got another flashback to the last time he
Is there
had a
soap?
white
Is there
White
soap
jelly
or
bean.
anchovy?
Oh, spoiled milk!
Coconut.
Yeah, there are white jelly beans in here, dude.
Spoiled
Oh
milk!
my God.
Okay, this is a light
Applications.
green.
Okay, this is definitely grass.
Grass?
Well, about to find out.
Grass!
Yeah, it's grass.
Ew,
That's
grass.
some nasty grass.
I love the
No,
grass.
wait, no! That's something else. No, wait.
That's grass.
It's incredibly sweet.
It's like grass with a bit of lemon on it. Let's see.
I'm just glad it's not a fucking booger. Booger, I fucking spit out.
God.
Oh no, booger is in here somewhere.
No, do you remember when...
Okay, this
No.
could either be chocolate pudding or earthworm.
No, do you remember when AJ spit out the booger?
Oh, I remember that,
It's
yeah.
nasty behind boogers.
Okay, these are 2 different types. There's a dark brown and a regular sort of brown, so who wants what?
I'll take a dark brown.
I'll take none.
Very.
Okay, like I
Light
said,
brown?
Just.
this is either chocolate, dirt, or earthworm.
Chocolate dirt. I think this one's dirt.
Okay, so Tyler and I have the light brown, they have the dark one.
Oh, it smells like root beer to me.
We're about to find out. Oh, there's rancid.
Oh.
That's dirt.
Yeah, the dark brown was dirt, and the light brown was sausage. That's was some great jelly bean science. Ugh. Let's see.
That's dirt.
You sure that was sausage? It tastes more like dog food.
Aw, there's only 2 of those. Okay, so there's
Rock,
no.
paper, scissors.
Well, I guess you get that one.
Oh,
Okay, so there's 2 of these and 1 of these.
okay. No.
Oh, Lita, be adventurous.
I don't
Okay,
want to.
So he and I have another regular red one, and they have a sort of reddish with spots.
Okay, what is reddish with spots?
Eat it and find out.
Tell me!
Asshole.
Reddish with spots. Reddish with...
Let's see if his memory
Look.
gets it.
Reddish with...
Please don't use that. We got it perfectly good.
There's a spit-up bucket here.
We'll find afterwards.
Tristan!
Asshole. Ow.
Cinnamon!
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
What you two got, he and I got cinnamon again. Again, I don't like cinnamon. But what you two got was earthworm.
Why didn't you say anything?
That's
Because
right.
That's the reaction.
That's right. The red ones were the earthworm.
Yeah, red was
Ah.
spots. Earthworm. Okay, you guys are starting to get a bit, antsy. So let me see about a couple of good ones.
This was all his idea. All of it.
It was. I told him no at the store. He fucking bought them anyway.
Oh yeah, that's right. I sure did. Okay,
Oh, God.
these are all yellows. So
Okay.
you take one,
Oh, God.
For the love of God, please let this be pear.
and you take that.
What else could it
What
be?
else could it be?
You give me bogey, pear, banana split.
Oh no, the bogeys are greenish.
Oh, okay. Rotten egg.
I don't want another one! I don't
Wait,
want
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tyler might have looked out. Tyler might have looked out. That's the last one. Tyler could have gotten buttered popcorn.
Ew! That's even worse!
Mom, buttered popcorn is delicious. Tastes just like popcorn.
I'm just gonna take
Not in
mine.
the fucking jelly bean.
Pear!
Oh, banana.
Wait a minute. That has banana.
Ah!
Did you taste the butter?
What is it?
No.
Rotten egg?
Oh my god, are you okay?
Ah!
Don't spill it everywhere.
don't
Yeah,
know
I
what
got
the
banana.
fuck that
Yeah, it is
was.
banana.
Lemon!
Oh, she got lemon.
What the fuck was that?
It was white with yellow spots.
Oh, that was rotten egg.
Oh my god.
Oh, you got the bad. You got the worst one.
Lemon!
Let's.
I like my
Wait.
lemons.
Wait, no. Was his. Wait, his was this one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, no, that was earwax.
Oh god.
A loss. Earwax.
Let's see.
I'm not eating all of these.
We're going through the different flavors. Here's a pink one.
Oh. I don't want to know.
You take a pink one.
I think that's bubblegum.
I hope so.
Let's see.
Bubblegum.
You can take. Wait, no, is it? Which one is
It
this?
smells like a
Oh, yeah. Sorry about being racist.
But this can't. This.
Oh,
that,
God,
that.
it's watermelon.
Slaughtermelon?
What the fuck is a
I
slaughtermelon?
said watermelon.
Sounds
I know,
like a
but she said
watermelon made out of
slaughtermelon.
tent.
I don't like slaughtermelon.
As soon as you said sorry to be racist, you gave me watermelon.
Sorry. Bottoms up. Bottoms up.
Mmm.
I don't know what that is.
Strawberry.
Okay, yeah, I taste it.
Technically, it's under candy floss, so it might be strawberry flavored candy floss.
Yay, cotton candy!
It's been a while since I had these.
That's tasty.
I
All
like
right.
to change them.
Let's see.
Like, I remember seeing them all the time at bookstores when I was a kid. And do you know what my first reaction was when I saw them on the shelf?
What?
That sounds horrible. Even as a kid, I wanted nothing to do with this shit.
Yeah, well, Young doesn't care.
She's right, I did. All right. We got a four-way roulette with this.
No.
Same.
No.
Yeah. So Tristan, let's go. You will get that one.
Okay, this must be pear.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Open your hand.
No.
Don't be a bitch.
Oh, look at this, on my neck.
Fine. You'll go last. You'll go last.
It might have made me skip. I might have been the one that got screwed over.
There.
Oh!
You dick!
I got
What?
You got the blue one.
This is giving me flashbacks.
This one
Because
looks
the last time
horrible.
Well, it's
I
white.
the last
It's not
time I
white.
did the one like this, which is actually on his channel, I got fucking barf.
Mm-hmm. Fine. Do you want the blue one then?
What is it?
I want the blue one.
Fine.
What's the
You
blue
get the
one?
you get the blue one. You'll take the white one, and I'll take the orange one.
What's the blue one?
Not that one.
I don't know what it is. Is this supposed to be fucking soap?
I hope so.
Why?
Fine. Then you two switch beans.
Uh-uh.
Fine. Orange, green, white, blue. Bottoms up.
I can't identify this.
Nope. That's fucking soap. That's some bad soap.
I love soap one.
What was the blue one?
That's soap.
Blueberry.
What's the green one?
Booger.
Ah,
Good one.
no. It fell on my tongue.
Be grateful. I got to vomit.
It's... Yes!
You got fucking soap.
Thank God!
I'd rather take soap
Wait,
than
stick your
vomit.
tongue out. Oh, it's a bit greenish.
I'd rather take soap than vomit.
All right. Another roulette. Going through all the colors.
No.
All right.
Ah, shit.
Ah, shit.
All right.
What the... Oh, yours is aw shit.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh
No.
no.
Alright, read off the flavors.
Oh no. This looks
I
horrible.
believe that one is.
That's rotten egg.
That is either earwax or rotten egg.
Better be rotten egg. I don't want it.
Yours is either sausage or dirt.
Already had the sausage.
Yours is green apple.
Okay, or...
The dirt was
Nah, just-
darker.
It's just green apple. I can tell from the shade.
Okay.
And this is just probably candy floss.
Oh. The second time.
Rotten egg!
Yeah.
I think we've had enough.
Fuck that. Do this.
Was that your whack? Was that
No, he's grabbing a soap one.
You have to clean your mouth out with fake shit.
All right. There's only one
Gives a new meaning
flavor
to the
left.
expression clean your mouth out with soap.
There's only one flavor left that has not been tested.
No,
Who wants
that
it?
was pretty good.
You.
Let me see.
Your idea, you.
You get it.
Fine. Tutti Frutti tastes disgusting.
No, I got a great idea.
What?
Give me the cup real quick. Okay, now everybody hold him down.
Notice that I am
In
not.
his mouth.
Notice that I am not. You know what? Fuck it. Give it here.
No!
Don't do that. Suicide.
Don't! That's suicide.
No, he deserves.
No!
This
He
too-
deserves this.
Okay, people move! I have to pee!
I've had war flashbacks over this.
I have brought this upon my friends.
I actually enjoyed most of them except the rotten egg.
Wait, don't wait. I really want to pee, so can you wait 5 minutes?
You can watch it in 5 minutes.
No.
We're cutting this.
Alright, fine, go ahead.
The absolute madman!
Oh my god!
There was a rotten egg in there!
Holy shit, yo!
Get a can, 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 get a can!
Suffer! Suffer!
I would have eaten those soap ones!
And you know what the funniest part is? All I tasted was sugar.